Hey guys, Happy New Year! 2020 is going to be an amazing year. I wanted to come and talk to you today about our newest product, Ruvi. Thrive Life has developed Ruvi with freeze-dried fruits and vegetables. We all love our fruits and vegetables, but we don't usually get them all down, right? So here's a great, easy, convenient way that we can. Now, the freeze drying process is just they've taken all the fruits and vegetables, powderized them down, and they've thrown them into a convenient little pouch. There's no additives, there's no preservatives, it's all right here. So I'm gonna make mine today. I've chosen the red one. There are also some more colors here. We've got green, purple, and orange. But I'm gonna do red today. I'm gonna do it as a meal replacement, and I do my Ruvis like this because I feel like I usually am on the go and I want to have a meal replacement. And I'm gonna show you how I do that. When you order Ruvi, you get a free shaker bottle, this cute little shaker bottle, and I fill that up about halfway with water. And then I go ahead and put those freeze-dried fruits and vegetables right into the water. Make sure you get it all, because sometimes it sticks and you want to get all of your fruits and vegetables in there. Then I take a scoop of, this is banana cream, muscle milk protein powder, and I throw that in as well. Now, I'm gonna give this a little shake, and then I'm gonna put some more water in it. Make sure it's secured down. I think it is. And start shaking. So there you go. You can have it a little bit more. This is a little bit more smoothie-like. I like mine a little bit more thinner, and I like to get more water down. So I'm gonna add almost all the water. Close it up, shake it just a little bit more. And there I have it. 4 servings of fruits and vegetables in your Ruvi. In the next few weeks, we are going to be talking about the Ruvi Challenge. We would love all of you to join us on the Ruvi Challenge and to see what your results will be, because there is going to be a grand prize winner that has the best story and the best results. And so we would love all of you to try this and see if it affects you the way that it has affected our life. I think you will love it, and I'm excited to hear all of your stories.